Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to be checking out this 2016 Toyota RAV4 SE. Power for this RAV comes from a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Starting at the front, we have fog lights, a fully blacked out grille, and coming around to the side, we have color matched mirrors with integrated turn signals as well as color matched door handles. Up top, we have the silver roof rails, which will allow you to expand your cargo space if needed. We also have rear privacy glass for both your passengers and your cargo. There is a ton of features on this RAV, so let's hop inside and take a look at what the interior has to offer. One thing I would like to point out is this RAV4 does come equipped with winter tires on steel rims, and it also comes with a full set of factory alloy wheels with all-season tires as well. Taking a look inside, we can see the beautiful black leather interior with the red trim. This does carry through to the back where we have seating for 3 or the fold down center console. It also has 60/40 fold down seats, which will allow you to expand your cargo space even more. It also has the awesome rubber matting there, which will protect your upholstery no matter the weather. And if we take a look up, we have our power tilt and slide sunroof. Opening up the door, we have our power locks and power windows. And over here is our power mirrors, our interior light controls, our heated steering wheel, locking differential, and our power liftgate. Hopping inside and taking a look at the steering wheel. On this side we have our hands-free Bluetooth calling and audio controls. And over here we have our trip meter, and then a bunch of different settings and information that you can access up here on the dash, such as our blind spot monitor. You can also set the height of the power liftgate in here. Coming on over to the center, this does have a full navigation system, and it does have an AM/FM stereo with Bluetooth and is satellite radio ready. Coming down here, we have our dual zone electronic climate control, as well as our front and rear window defrost. If we move down here even more, we've got our front heated seats, eco mode, sport mode, and our windshield wiper de-icer, as well as our USB and extra power outlets. So swinging around, it is really roomy in here. Your passengers are going to be very comfortable, as are you. So let's hop out and we will check out the cargo space. Coming around to the back, we have our rear mounted color matched antenna and spoiler, color matched bumper, and of course we've got the RAV4 Toyota and SE all-wheel drive branding right down there. To open up your power liftgate, you just hold the button down on your key fob and it will open right up for you. We do have a really good amount of cargo space in here, and like I said, those seats do fold down to give you extra room if you need it. To shut the liftgate, we just want to press the button up there, and once again, it does it for you. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2016 Toyota RAV4 SE all-wheel drive with me. If you'd like to take it for a spin or just take a look yourself, come on down to 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, or you can give us a call and one of our amazing product advisors would be more than happy to talk to you. Or you can check out our website at kelownatoyota.com to get more details on this RAV or to check out the rest of our new and used inventory. We hope everybody's having a wonderful winter season. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.